Welcome data enthusiast. Today we will dive into the world of real-time analytic database with a focus on Apache Druid. If you are ready to unlock the power of real-time data insight, you are at the right place. Let's get started. Real-time analytic database are the heart of today's data-driven world. They allow us to make decisions at the speed of thought. And this space, one name stand out is Apache Druid. So what exactly is Apache Druid? It's an open source, high performance analytic database designed for real-time exploratory queries on large data set. In simple terms, it's you go to solutions for slicing and dicing data in real time. Apache Druid push some incredible features from sub-second query response time to seamless scalability. Druid empowers you to unlock the insight at the speed of thought. Let's geek out for a moment. Druid is built on a robust technology stack, utilizing the best tool for real-time data processing. Understanding this tech stack is a key to harness Druid's full potential. Now, when do you bring Apache Druid into the game? We will explore various use cases where Druid shines, helping organization making data-driven decisions in real time. When should we deploy Druid? You have got a green signal for you. Learn about the scenario where Apache Druid truly excels. But hey, Druid isn't a one size fits all solution. There are instances where you might want to hit the brakes. We will guide you when to use and when not to use Druid. Apache Druid is trusted by some of the biggest players in the industries. We will take a look at the impressive list of companies harnessing Druid for their real-time analytics need. Ready to get your hands dirty? We will walk you through the installation process of Apache Druid, turning your machine into real-time analytics powerhouse. Now that Druid is installed, it's time to fire up. We will guide you through starting essential Druid services. Get ready to explore the Druid web console. We will also navigate through its feature, giving you a tour to the command center of real-time analytics operations. Data loading is where the magic begins. We will show you how to load data into Druid, turning raw information into actionable insight. The true power of Druid lies in query data in real time. We will guide you through the crafting queries that unveil the insights you are looking for. Take a deep dive in the Druid web console. We will explore its various components and functionalities, giving you the tool to navigate with confidence. Druid's architecture is the backbone of its capabilities. We will break down the architecture, explain how Druid processes and stores data to deliver lightning speed response. Let's dissect Druid architecture further, understanding the roles of different components like historical nodes, real-time nodes, and coordinate nodes. Server plays a crucial role in Druid operation. We will demystify the function of middle manager, indexer, and broker node, making the server management a breeze. Druid services are the gears that keep the system running. We'll discuss services like Metastore and the deep integration with Zookeeper. Break down the complex concepts into simple terms. We will use everyday object to help you grasp the functions of Druid service easily. Druid doesn't operate in isolation. we will explore the external dependency that Druid relies on for seamless integration. Data storage is the bedrock of Druid capabilities. We will dwell into the storage design, showing you how Druid efficiently stores and retrieves data. Understanding the data source and segment in pivotal. We will illustrate how Druid organizes and manages data for efficient querying. Segment identifiers are the keys to unlock the specific data set. We will explore how the identifier streamline data retrieval. Segments are the building blocks of Druid storage. We will introduce you to the concept of segment and the role in the organizing data. Peek inside a segment. We will dissect the file structure of Druid segment, demystify the anatomy of the data. Now that you understand the fundamentals, let's put them into action. We will guide you through the process of loading data into Druid. Local files are the common starting point. We will demonstrate how to load data from local files into Druid, making your data instantly accessible. Remote data sources, no problem. We will show you how to load data from URI, tapping into external dataset for a comprehensive analysis. Kafka is a powerful companion of real-time data processing. Before diving into, we will provide you a quick installation introduction to Kafka, setting the stages for seamless integration. Ready to ride the Kafka wave? We will guide you through the installation of single node Kafka cluster, laying the groundwork for data streaming. Navigating potential pitfalls is part of the process. We will guide you to adjusting configuration to avoid zookeeper conflict, ensuring smooth data flow. The moment you have been waiting for, loading data from Kafka into Druid. We will walk you through these steps, making real-time data ingestion a reality. Understanding the explain plan is crucial for optimizing queries. We will break down query execution plans, help you fine-tune your data retrieval. Rolling up data is a powerful technique for efficient storage and retrieval. We will guide you through aggregating data with rollups, optimizing your Druid performance. Before we wake up, let's tackle some common questions. We will address queries that learners frequently ask. Ensure you have a solid understanding of Apache Druid. Hey, there you are. Have it. A comprehensive guide to Apache Druid. Whether you are a seasonal data professional or just starting your journey, mastering Druid opens up the world real-time analytics possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and may your data adventure be even insightful. Until next time. So, see you soon in the course.